runs through northwest Wales and currently has approximately 50 members in its ranks. Its main purpose is to serve as a feeder band for the senior brass band, who is also competing here today. All members are fully bilingual, with most members speaking Welsh as their first language, and all rehearsals are conducted through the Welsh language. The rehearsals, though, only take place once a month. Wow. Due to the vast geographical size of the area. Some members live in 75 miles apart. It's quite a logistics problem, isn't it? And they always employ a weekend course at the beginning of February at a youth camp, with lots of outdoor activities and plenty of music making, of course. Both junior and senior bands enjoyed great success at these championships and in the past. Right, the music that they're going to play, they start with the Magnificent Seven, Swinging Dixie, Beauty and the Beast, their hidden tune is Hairsley, and they'll be finishing up with No Doubt the Cops. Enjoy it, good luck.